Hey, so here we are. Let's talk a little bit about the camera functions, okay? I'm going to turn off the simulation here, and we will see that, well, first of all, you have, by dragging your mouse, the typical rotation on all the directions. You can just zoom out by the mouse wheel, right? And zoom in. And then you have also the shift plus dragging, which is different, okay? In this moment, I am spinning around a certain point all the time. With shift, this is pretty much a standard way. With shift, you change your place of viewing. If I move the cursor without shift, I get this in this moment, okay? Now, if I press shift and now do the dragging, we got this. Super useful. Animated also, it has some inertia with it makes it real fun. If at some point you get lost in your mind, you are like there and you don't see nothing, okay, you always can do camera reset, okay. So now we also have something very nice, which is the walker mode, okay. We will go into the walker mode by pressing the shortcut W. There you go. Now I am like on a first person game, looking around what's on the surroundings. We will use the keys W, A, S, D for the movement. Like now I'm starting my walking. We will walk in the direction that we are looking at. I am right now just pressing the W key. I finish it and looking with my mouse where the place that I want to go. Interesting, right? And then I stop it and I can look around. I can take snapshots for the PDF report and stuff. We can go backwards, of course, with the S. We go to the right with D and to the left with the A, okay? Now, if you are in a very large project, you can also go faster. For instance, right now, I will press the W and having the click on the mouse. Look at the combination. That's the W alone, and now I accelerate with the mouse, like faster. Okay, again, we're going faster. That was one trick. With escape key, you turn off the walker mode. Okay, remember, with the W I enter the walker mode, but how do I get out? With escape. Okay, and I get again the normal centered in a point rotation. Now, when you are in the walker mode, you also have the use for getting up on the air for your flying. Okay, you can change this with the arrows on your keyboard. Okay, so for instance, right now I'm going to cross all the field at the height of these illuminating towers, and now I was using the arrows and the mouse. Now I will go just with keys. At my left I have these ones, and at my right I have these ones. Okay, so let's go right from here, and there you go. I will be moving, combining keys here, looking around, looking what's there and there, and then I stop and look all the pretty stuff. Okay, And then remember, you also can always go to camera reset. Now, if you want, also you can get your camera on a planet view, side view, and front of view. Okay, so that's it. Have fun.